Pick out the wrong statement pertaining to greenhouse for the plants. A greenhouse made of glass allows visible sunlight, i.e. short wavelength solar radiation like ultraviolet rays, to pass through the glass and heat up the soil, thereby warming up plants inside it. B. The emitted longer wavelength radiation, e.g. infrared, is partly reflected and partly absorbed by the glass of the greenhouse. C. Greenhouse effect in Earth's atmosphere is due to increasing CO2 level in atmosphere, where CO2 acts like the glass of greenhouse, thereby warming up the Earth's surface. D. Greenhouse is colder than the outside atmosphere. The correct answer is greenhouse is colder than the outside atmosphere. In water treatment, alum Al2SO43 is used for the process of A. Filtration, B. Coagulation, C. Sedimentation, D. Disinfection. The correct answer is coagulation. Pick out the one which is not a chemical coagulant. A. Aluminium sulfate, B. Ferrous sulfate, C. Hydrated lime, D. Chloramine. The correct answer is chloramine. Presence of iron and manganese in water causes A. Reduction in its dissolved oxygen content, B. Discoloration of bathroom fixtures, C. Temporary hardness, D. None of these. The correct answer is discoloration of bathroom fixtures. Septic tanks are used for the of the deposited solids. A. Separation, B. Anaerobic decomposition, C. Aerobic decomposition, D. None of these. The correct answer is anaerobic decomposition. Death may occur when CO2 concentration in atmospheric air exceeds ppm. A. 20, B. 100, C. 400, D. 200. The correct answer is 400. Which of the following acts as a natural source of air pollution? A. Forest fire, B. Deforestation, C. Volcanic eruption, D. None of these. The correct answer is volcanic eruption. Higher concentration of CO2 in atmosphere. A. Allows visible solar radiation ultraviolet of short wavelength to pass through. B. Reflects and absorbs the longer wavelength infrared radiations. C. Prevents solar heat being radiated out completely, resulting in heat trap, i.e. global warming. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Permissible safe limit TLV of toxic gas is 100 parts per million ppm. A. Highly, B. Moderately, C. Extremely, D. Very extremely. The correct answer is moderately. Radioactive substances present in the polluted water stream can be removed by A. Biological oxygen treatment, B. Coagulation and filtration, C. Adsorption in ion exchange materials, D. None of these. The correct answer is adsorption in ion exchange materials. In the context of the chemical process industries, the term BOD is normally associated with the A. Characterization of solid wastes, B. Organic concentration in gaseous effluents, C. Characterization of liquid effluents, D. Characterization of boiler feed water. The correct answer is characterization of liquid effluents. Noise emitted by a ventilation fan at a distance of 3 meters is about decibels. A. 85, B. 105, C. 125, D. 145. The correct answer is 105. Inhalation of silica dust causes a disease called A. Bronchitis, B. Silicosis, C. Pneumoconiosis, D. None of these. The correct answer is silicosis. Solid content in most of the domestic sewage is about %. A. 0.001, B 0.1, C 5, D 10. The correct answer is 0.1. In troposphere, the weather domain, the temperature T at height h above the SPA level in meters is given by where temperature at sea level is 15 C and T is in C. AT 15 0.0065 H. BT 15 0.0065 H. CT 0.0035 H 15. DT 15 0.0035 H. The correct answer is T 15 0.0065 H. High noise level in a chemical plant can be controlled by the A. Suppression of noise at the source itself. B. Path control of noise. C. Protection of operating personnel. D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Limestone powder is injected during pulverized coal burning in boilers to the flue gases. A. Reduce SO2 content in. B. Catalytically convert SO2 to SO3 inches. C. Increase the dew point of. D. None of these. The correct answer is reduce SO2 content in. Main pollutants released from petroleum refineries is A. CO2H2S. B. CO2NO-SO3. C. CO2H2S number 2. D. SO3 number 2 CO2. The correct answer is CO2H2S. Maximum permissible limit of industrial noise as recommended by World Health Organization WHO is decibels. A. 35. B. 75. C. 95. D. 105. The correct answer is 75. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas other than CO2? A. Methane. B. Nitrous oxide. C. Chlorofluorocarbons CFC. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Automobile exhaust is passed through two compartments. Catalytic converter employing platinum as catalyst for A. Conversion of CO into CO2 in the second compartment. B. Conversion of NOx into N2 and NH3 in the first compartment. C. Oxidation of unburned hydrocarbon fuel in the second compartment. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Lagooning process is mainly a means of the A. Sludge disposal. B. Reduction of excessive flow in sewers. C. Biological treatment of wastes. D. None of these. The correct answer is sludge disposal. Carbon monoxide is a pollutant which causes A. Respiratory disease e.g. asthma. B. Asphyxiation suffocation leading to death. C. Retardation in crop growth. D. Damage to building materials like marble. The correct answer is asphyxiation suffocation leading to death. Pollution by particulate matter emission in the atmosphere does not take place during metal. A. Grinding. B. Machining. C. Cutting. D. Polishing. The correct answer is polishing. Direct reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbons with either No or number 2 produces an eye-irritating pollutant compound known as A. Photochemical smog. B. Peroxyacetyl nitrate pan or methyl nitrile. C. Benzopyrene. D. Polyacrylonitrile. The correct answer is peroxyacetyl nitrate pan or methyl nitrile. Pick out the correct statement. A. Noise from ball mills can be dealt with by fiberglass-lined enclosures. B. Noise from vibrating chutes can be reduced by lining the metallic chute with rubber. C. Noise of conveyor belt system is reduced by using urethane-coated cloth conveyor belts and rubber plastic-covered metallic rollers. D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Board of raw municipal sewage may be in the range of about mg liter. A. 1-2. B. 5-10. C 100 and 5300. D 2000, 3000. The correct answer is 100 and 5300. Irradiation of water by ultraviolet light of suitable wavelength is commonly used for disinfection of water in A. Food industry, B. Municipal sewage treatment, C. Petroleum refinery, D. Iron steel plant. The correct answer is food industry. When the concentration of SO2 in air is greater than ppm, it gives a pungent smell. A 0.01, B 0.1, C 1, D 4. The correct answer is 4. Presence of a certain minimum quantity of fluorine is desirable in potable water to prevent A. dental cavities, B. scale formation, C. waterborne disease, D. corrosion. The correct answer is dental cavities. Pick out the wrong statement. A. benzopyrene, which causes cancer, is present in traces in tobacco, charcoal, petrol-driven automobile exhaust. B. Number 2 is capable of penetrating the troposphere and can absorb both ultraviolet visible light. C. Hydrocarbon pollutants are produced by sweet gum, oak, natural rubber trees. D. H2S is not at all produced during combustion of sulfur-bearing fuels, as all the sulfur is oxidized to SO2. The correct answer is H2S is not at all produced during combustion of sulfur-bearing fuels, as all the sulfur is oxidized to SO2. Which of the following is not an air pollutant? A. ozone, B. carcinogens, C. pesticides, D. metallic powders. The correct answer is ozone. Presence of high concentration of ozone and smog in atmospheric air causes the A. embrittlement, decrease of folding resistance of paper, B. cracking of rubber products, C. fading of dye on textiles, D. damage of electrical insulator on high-tension power line. The correct answer is cracking of rubber products. Algae growth in water is controlled by A. deoxidation, B. chlorination, C. bleaching, D. aeration. The correct answer is chlorination. Is removed from water by lime soda process. A. foul smell and taste, B. iron and manganese, C. temporary hardness, D. permanent hardness. The correct answer is temporary hardness. Most of the bacteria in sewage are A. parasitic, B. saprophytic, C. anaerobic, D. none of these. The correct answer is saprophytic. Which of the following is the most major constituents of air pollutants? A. oxides of sulfur, B. oxides of nitrogen, C. carbon monoxide, D. hydrogen sulfide. The correct answer is oxides of sulfur. Shouting by a man at his full voice corresponds to a voice level of about decibels. A. 25, B. 50, C. 80, D. 120. The correct answer is 80. Carbonaceous particles having size less than 1 m are called A. grit, B. aggregates, C. aerosols, D. smoke. The correct answer is smoke. Substances present in sewage are removed in grit chamber during sewage treatment. A. organic, B. fatty, C. inorganic, D. dissolved. The correct answer is inorganic. The type of bacteria which is active in trickling filtered during biological treatment of sewage is the bacteria A. anaerobic, B. saprophytic, C. aerobic, D. parasitic. The correct answer is aerobic. Presence of dissolved impurities of is responsible for the red-brownish color of water. A. carbonates, B. bicarbonates, C. Iron manganese. D. Arsenic. The correct answer is iron manganese. TLV of aldrin in public water supply system is about G liter. A 0.5. B 17. C 357. D 1097. The correct answer is 17. A gas is termed as non-toxic if its maximum permissible concentration TLV ranges from ppm. A 1000 to 2000. B 3000 to 6000. C 6000 to 9000. D 10,000 to 100,000. The correct answer is 10,000 to 100,000. Removal of is accomplished by aeration of water. A. Dissolved gases. B. Suspended solids. C. Dissolved solids. D. None of these. The correct answer is dissolved gases. Greenhouse effect is accentuated by A. Deforestation. B. Rapid industrialization. C. Increased transportation activity. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Thermal pollution due to excessive heat temperature in the working place causes A. Reduction in working efficiency of manpower. B. Fatigue. C. High breathing rate. D. All A, B, C. The correct answer is all A, B, C. High concentration of carcinogenic hydrocarbon pollutants in atmospheric air causes A. Cancer. B. Silicosis. C. Respiratory disease e.g. asthma. D. Reduced crop yield. The correct answer is cancer. World Environment Day is observed every year on the 5th of A. June. B. December. C. July. D. September. The correct answer is June. The major reason of hydrodynamic noise, i.e. noise resulting from liquid flow, is A. Pipe vibrations. B. Cavitation. C. Boundary layer separation. D. Fluctuation in liquid flow. The correct answer is cavitation.